When automotive painting meets AI, what you see today is not just a robot arm in motion, but AI is redefining the standard of automotive painting. Xtriton Intelligent Spray Painting Robotic Arm Paint Go, powered by predictable, repeatable, intelligent spray logic, and combined with Glasurit professional coating from BASF German. Xtriton officially debuts at the 2026 Intelligent Spray Painting Exhibition. Go! Traditional spray painting relies heavily on manual experience. It is slow, inconsistent, and often requires rework due to uneven coating thickness. For automotive manufacturers, this means higher costs, limited production capacity, and increasing rework rates. To address these challenges, we introduce Xtriton Paint Go, your intelligent spray painting solution. Driven by advanced AI, the system automatically recognizes vehicle models, plans optimal spray paths, and precisely controls spray angle and speed. Paired with Glasurit premium coating technology, it delivers high gloss, uninformed, and fully repeatable paint quality. Xtriton Paint Go helps reduce labor dependency, ensure consistent quality, and significantly increase production efficiency. No modification to existing spray booth is required, allowing for fast deployment and long-term readiness for smart manufacturing and ESG goals. Today, Xtriton Paint Go, combined with Glasurit professional coatings from BASF German, not only improve spray efficiency, but ensure every vehicle achieve predictable and repeatable paint quality. Through full integration of hardware and materials, we create unmatched value for our customers. Xtriton Paint Go is not just a robot, and it goes beyond machinery. It is a complete intelligent spray painting solution. It's my pleasure to introduce the Xtriton Intelligent Spray Painting Robotic Arm Paint Go at the 2026 Intelligent Spray Painting Exhibition. I look forward to connecting with you on site and exploring the future of intelligent spray painting together.